नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? हैप्पी ऑल? डूइंग होमवर्क प्रॉपर? स्टडिंग वेल? गुड चिल्ड्रन, स्टडी वेल, डू प्रैक्टिस इन हाउस, ओके? फ्री टाइम, try to read, okay? So last classes we have read बड़ी ई की मात्रा, okay? I taught you छोटी ई and बड़ी ई की मात्रा. One line, one cap. Before the letter छोटी ई की मात्रा. After the letter, if you are putting one line, one cap, that will be बड़ी ई की मात्रा. Today we will start छोटा ऊ की मात्रा, okay? In our vowels we are reading na a e u u. So today we will read u की मात्रा. U means ullu. U से ullu. So that matra we will read. And u की मात्रा, in screen also you can see that one round is there, na small round in bracket I have written, that always it will come on the leg, okay? Any letter down that matra we are putting, okay? And if that round is going top, means that is u की मात्रा, and that pronunciation will be u. If ka letter we are putting that matra u की मात्रा, that will be ku. Ga if you put u की मात्रा, gu. Pa pu, okay? Ra ru. So छोटा u की मात्रा always it will come down of the letter. In leg we will put, okay? So some word I have written for you, you just see on the screen. U की मात्रा, this is your U letter and that is the U symbol. This symbol only I am talking. This symbol always it will come. This is letter and letter leg we are putting this symbol, okay? See one round is there, that is going top, means this is U की मात्रा. So sa and this is U की मात्रा plus na. If you will join, how you will join? Sa you will write and this U की मात्रा you have to put in the leg. It's become su and na. Sun, okay? So sa पे U की मात्रा su and na. Sun. Sun means listen. Sun means listen. Fa छोटा U की मात्रा द क. So fa पे छोटा U की मात्रा फू द क. Fudak. Fudak means jump. How that frog, how it will jump? That is fudak. Bird how jumping? That is fudak. Fudak means jumping. Ma dha छोटा u की मात्रा र. मधुर. ma dha पे छोटा u की मात्रा धू and र. madhur. Madhur means sweet. In talking, if someone is talking very sweet and soft, na, they will say madhur. Like bird, how bird will talk? Bird twittering will be very sweet, na, if you listen. So that is madhur. Ga छोटा u की मात्रा na. Gun. Ga पे छोटा u की मात्रा gu and na. Gun. Gun means quality. Gun means quality. Okay. Tha छोटा u की मात्रा ma and ka. Thumak. Monkey how he will walk? Thumak thumak. Okay. A small children slowly if he will walk, na, shaking full body, that is called thumak. Ga छोटा u की मात्रा ri ya. गुड़िया. See here, ga पे छोटा u की मात्रा गु ri ya. गुड़िया. गुड़िया means doll. गुड़िया means doll. ma छोटा u की मात्रा mu ra li. See here la, one line one cap after the letter means बड़ी ई की मात्रा is there. Pronunciation is li. So murali. ma पे छोटा u की मात्रा, see on leg it is there na u की मात्रा. So mu ra li. Murali. Murali means flute. Murali means flute. Lord Krishna is having flute, na? So that is murali. Dha छोटा u की मात्रा na. Dhun. Dhun means rhythm. Dhun means rhythm. Any musical instrument if you play, so what playing in, na, that is called dhun. Ta छोटा u की मात्रा tu and ma. YOU. क ऊ की मात्रा छ. So क पे ऊ की मात्रा कु and छ कुछ. कुछ means little, some amount. Okay, कुछ. So one more round we'll read. स पे ऊ की मात्रा सु न सुन. फ पे ऊ की मात्रा फू द क फुदक. मधुर गुण. ठुमक गुड़िया. मुरली धुन. तुम and कुछ. Okay children, now we will read the book. I'll read for you and I will translate in English. Open page number 45. So ऊ की मात्रा, related ऊ की मात्रा, we will read a small story. Okay. म पे छोटा ऊ की मात्रा मु. See here in leg, one round is there na, and this round is going top, like one round it's going top, that is ऊ की मात्रा, and that letter pronunciation will be ma, because in ma ऊ की मात्रा it's become mu. Mu na mu na. Mun mun. Okay, mun mun. ज पे ऊ की मात्रा जू. ल पे आ की मात्रा ला, एंड बड़ी ई. जू ला ई. जुलाई. क पे आ की मात्रा का. म ह पे बड़ी की मात्रा ही. न पे आ की मात्रा ना. महीना. थ पे आ की मात्रा था. जुलाई का महीना था. महीना मीन्स month. It was a July month. था मीन्स was. ब पे छोटा ओ की मात्रा बू. ध वा र. बुधवार. क पे बड़ी की मात्रा की. स ऊ की मात्रा सु. ब ह सुबह. का सु हा ना सुहाना. स म य समय था. बुधवार की सुबह का सुहाना समय था. Means it was a July month and day was Budhvar means Wednesday. Budhvar means Wednesday. Wednesday morning was very good. मुनमुन बुलबुल. बू ल बुलबुल की. तरह तरह. चहक चहक रही थी. Bulbul is a bird. Okay, Bulbul is a bird and Munmun is a girl name. So Munmun, she was twittering like a bird. Just she is twittering like a bird. Rahul. 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 U sa ki. क पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा is there. See, one line, one cap after the letter means बड़ी ई की मात्रा उसकी. मधुर मधुर. आवाज सुन कर. ख पे ऊ की मात्रा खु. श खुश. ह पे छोटा ऊ की मात्रा हु. आ हुआ. राहुल उसकी मधुर आवाज सुनकर खुश हुआ. Rahul is a boy. He listened to Munmun voice and he become very happy. उसकी सुरीली मधुर धुन सुनकर कुमुद सुमन अरुण सुभाष चुनमुन चूहिया और गुलगुल चूहिया बाहर आ गए. So all has listened his beautiful voice. This all children and one chuhiya. Chuhiya means rat. One chuhiya. Her name is Gulgul. All has come out. Sudhir. 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 बार बार. एक ही. प पे अंक की मात्रा पंग. हाफ क एंड छोटी की मात्रा की. ती पंक्ति. गाता, गाता। सुधीर बार बार एक ही पंक्ति गाता। Sudhir, one boy is there, huh? Again and again he is singing one song. In song, one line he is singing. Sun, sun, sun. Listen, listen, listen. Sun means listen. Mun, mun की मधुर धुन सुन. So he is singing the song. सुन 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 मुन मुन की मधुर धुन सुन. सुन 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 मुन मुन की मधुर धुन सुन. Okay, so this is your U की मात्रा reading is there. Children, you do also reading practice. Okay, now in this lesson some word is there. Okay, we will read that word. Word meaning. Sabdarth. Sabdarth means word meaning. Chahak. Chahak. Chahak means chirping or twittering. Bird is twittering na soft, that is called chahak. Madhura. Madhur. Madhur means sweet. Madhur means sweet. 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 चूहिया. च पे छोटा की मात्रा चू, ह पे ई की मात्रा ही, या. चूहिया. चूहिया means female rat. Mice. Female rat, that is called mice. Okay children, here some word is there. We will do reading practice. Okay, you do also in English also pronunciation, it's written there. Ka pe u की मात्रा ku and la. Kul. Kul means total, all thing. Okay, TOTAL, total. Kha pe u की मात्रा khu and la. Khul. Khul means open. OPEN. Door खोलना. दरवाजा खोलना means open the door. Open the window. खिड़की खोलो. Window खोलो means open. सुन. स पे ऊ की मात्रा सु and ना. सुन. सुन means listen. LISTEN. T is silent here. Listen means सुन. छ पे ऊ की मात्रा छु and प. छुप. छुप means hide. HIDE. Hide and seek you are playing na. That is called छुप. छुपना. ध पे ऊ की मात्रा धू न. धुन. धुन means tune. धुन means tune. TUNE. कु छ. कुछ. कुछ means few. Little. FEW. Few. Few means little. Bu न. Bun. Bun means knitting. Knitting. Sweater knitting na. That is bun. Sari. They are making how handmade sari is there. That is bun. Bun means knitting. Here K is silent. KNIT. Knit. K is silent. Sukh. Sa पे छोटा हो की मात्रा सु and ख. Sukh. Sukh means happiness. Sukh means happiness. Good time. HAPPINESS. Happiness. Sukh. Pu la. Pa पे ऊ की मात्रा pu and la. Pull. Pull means bridge. BRIDGE. Here D is silent. Bridge. Bridge means pull. Chu न. च पे ऊ की मात्रा चू न. चुन. चुन means choose. 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 Choose means चुन. ग पे ऊ की मात्रा गु ण. गुण. गुण means quality. गुण means quality. 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 दुख. द पे छोटा की मात्रा दु and ख. दुख. दुख means sad or sorrow. SORROW. Sorrow or sad. Okay children, now we will go for page number 51. We will go for page number 51. Here your exercise number 1. सही स्थान पर ओ की मात्रा लगाइए. Put the O matra in right place. You can see some letter is written in red color, some is black color. So first what you have to do here, where red letter is there, everywhere U की मात्रा you have to put. See, I have put for you also. Okay, so here क पे U की मात्रा, स पे U की मात्रा, चू पे U की मात्रा, प पे U की मात्रा. First you have to put all red letter O की मात्रा. Now how your word is looking, same thing you have to copy here. So क क पे उ की मात्रा कुल, स पे उ की मात्रा सु and न सुन, च पे उ की मात्रा चु and न चुन, पु ताई पुताई, पु ल पुल, धु न धुन, दु म दुम, मुरली. So same thing you copy in your textbook. Okay children? Same page children, we will go for exercise number 2. What you have to do? You have to see the picture and you have to write. Okay? You have to see the picture and you have to write the picture name. Okay? So first one, what is that? Chuhiya. Chuhiya letter has come na? In your picture, chuhiya, gulgul chuhiya is there na? So same thing, see. You have to see the picture and write chuhiya bill se bahar aayi. Second one, what is that? See the picture. What is this? That is called bagula. Ba, ga ka pe u ki matra gu, la la pe a ki matra la. Bagula. So here you have to see the picture. You have to write the picture name. What is this? Crown. What is this? Crown. And crown in Hindi we will say mukut. Ma pe chota u ki matra mu, ka ka pe u ki matra ku and ta. Mukut. Next picture, what is that? Coolie. What is this? Coolie. So here you have to write ka pe chota u ki matra ku and la pe bada u ki matra, badi ki matra li. Coolie. So you have to see the picture. Already I have done for you. Same exercise you finish in your textbook. See children, in your page number 52, Lekhan Abhyas, writing exercise is there. Nothing you have to do. As you know, in grade 1, lot of this type of work you have done. So just you have to trace the word and second line, same thing you have to copy. Okay. Now, down it is creative activity. Creative activity is there. You have to join all point and make a picture. And after that, you can color it also. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now we will go for U ki matra. We'll go for U ki matra. Now, first we have read chota U ki matra. And that pronunciation will be ku, gu, lu, like that. Now we will go for bada U ki matra. Bada U ki matra, U se un. Okay, beginning we have read U se ullu. Now we will go for U se un. And nothing more difference. See, chota U ki matra and bada U ki matra, always it will come in the leg of the letter. Okay, down we will put. Chota U ki matra, that round will go top. You can see. And bada U ki matra, same round will come down. And that letter pronunciation will be oo. Okay. So, any letter leg, if one round is there and that round is going left side top, chota U ki matra. And if that same round is coming right side down, means that is bada U ki matra. And that letter pronunciation will be ku, gu, lu. Little more pressure, long we have to say. So children, you are ready? We will start. See here first, this is your bada U and this round is going down na, means this is bada U ki matra. I have written some example, we will read. Ja, bada U ki matra and he. Ha pe badi ki matra he. It's become juhi. Ja pe bada U ki matra ju. Ha pe badi ki matra he. Juhi. See the pronunciation? Ju means little long we are saying. And this round is coming right hand side down because this is a bada U ki matra. Juhi. Juhi is a flower name. Okay. For bada U ki matra fu and la. For pe bada U ki matra fu and la. Fool. Fool means flower. Fool means flower. Ja, bada U ki matra ju, ta, juta. जूता मीन्स शू, जूता मीन्स शू, SHOE, ओके। आ ल पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लू, आलू, आलू मीन्स पोटैटो, आलू मीन्स पोटैटो। स बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा सू, र ज, सूरज, स पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा सू, र ज, सूरज, सूरज मीन्स सन, सूरज मीन्स सन, SUN, सन, ओके। का ल बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लू, कालू, कालू someone name it will be, okay। Kalu is a, sometimes people will keep dog name also, Kalu just some boy name। द बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा दू एंड ध, दूध, ओके। दूध मीन्स मिल्क, द बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा दू एंड ध, दूध, दूध मीन्स मिल्क। ध बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा धू एंड ल, धूल, धूल मीन्स डस्ट, धूल मीन्स डस्ट। म बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा मू, ली, मूली, मूली मीन्स रेडिश, तमिल यू कैन से मुलंगी, ओके। ध बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा धू एंड प, धूप, धूप मीन्स सनलाइट, धूप मीन्स sunlight, okay children। Okay children, now we will go for page number 55, we will go for page number 55 and we will read here बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा, some story is there, we will read, okay। See here, ज पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा जू, ज पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा जू एंड न, जून। क पे आ की मात्रा का, म ही ना, महीना, जून का महीना। लास्ट छोटा ऊ की मात्रा इट वाज जुलाई का महीना, हियर जून का महीना, महीना मीन्स मंथ, ओके। महीना मीन्स मंथ, मास, एंड जून, जून इज अ मंथ नेम, यू नो, ओके। जून का महीना, जून का महीना था, इट वॉज अ जून मंथ। धूप, ध पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा धू एंड प, धूप निकल आई, धूप निकल आई, इट वॉज सन हैज कम, ओके, सनलाइट हैज कम। ज पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा जू, ही, जूही। झ पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा झू, ला, झूला। झ पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा झू एंड ल, झूल। रही थी, जूही झूला झूल रही थी, जूही वाज swinging on swing, okay, जूही was swinging on the swing। रामू, रा म पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा मु, रामू काका, झूला, झूला। सी हियर, हियर झ पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा सो झूला एंड अगेन झ पे छोटा ऊ की मात्रा झूला, सो वी विल प्रोनाउंस झूला, 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 बिकॉज छोटा ऊ की मात्रा फास्ट वी हैव टू से, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लिटिल प्रेशर वी हैव टू से। तो रामू काका झूला झूला रहे थे। रुथ, रू एंड थ, सी हियर इन र ऊ की मात्रा हाउ दे हैव पुट रू थ, रुथ। झाड़ू, झाड़ू लगा रही थी। रुथ इज अ सम गर्ल, शी वाज cleaning, okay, she is with broom, she is cleaning the garden। कालू, कालू, कालू अपना बूट देख उस पर लगी धूल हटा रहा था। कालू was looking his shoe and he is cleaning, okay। द पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा दूध, दूध वाला, दूध वाला मीन्स पालकर, दूध वाला मीन्स पालकर आर मिल्कमैन, आकर दूध रख गया, मिल्कमैन हैज कम एंड ही हैज केप्ट द मिल्क। भानु, भानु फल वाला आया, भानु फल वाला आया, भानु इज अ fruit person who is delivering the food, he has come। और आलू, कचालू, मूली, खजूर, सहतूत, खरबूजा, तरबूज और काजू रख गया। So see here, all letter बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा is there, so how you have to pronounce, you see, okay। सूरज, सूरज, सूरज चमक रहा था, sun was shining, सूरज means sun, okay। लू चल पड़ी, लू means hot air, in June month it will be too much hot na, so if it will come out too much hot air will come, so they are saying loo chal padi, hot air start to blow। Juhi, Ruth, Ramu, see here all bada u ki matra is there, so Ramu, Kalu और भानु घर वापस आ गए, because all were playing in the garden। See that girl Juhi, Juhi is swinging here na, Juhi is swinging on swing, Ruth is cleaning the garden and this Kalu is wiping his shoe, milkman is here taking the milkman, so all they have finished their work and now hot air start to blow, so all has come back to their house। Okay, in the story some new words has come, we will read that new word। सूरज, 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 सूरज means सूर्य, sun, sun, sun। दूध वाला, दूध वाला means milkman, milk, milkman। लू, लू means hot wind or hot air। boot, boot, boot means shoe, 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 okay। Okay children, we will go for page number 56, we will go for page number 56 and what we will do here, we will do some more word reading practice, okay। You also read with me। बूट, ब पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा बू एंड ट, बूट, बूट मीन्स शूज, shoes, shoes, okay। बूट, बूट मीन्स शूज। भालू, ल पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लू, भालू, भालू मीन्स बियर, BEAR, बियर, okay, that is an animal। भ से भालू in last year we are reading na, when you are in grade 1, भ से भालू, one black color animal is there, that is भालू, bear, BEAR। म, य पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा यू एंड र, मयूर, मयूर मीन्स पीकॉक, मयूर मीन्स पीकॉक, PEACOCK, ओके। खजूर, ख, ज पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा जू एंड र, खजूर, खजूर means dates, 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 okay। That is a fruit, it will come in a dry nut, we are eating now, it will be red color, little sticky but very sweet, that is called khajur, khajur means dates, DATES, dates। ऊपर, ऊपर, ऊपर means above, ऊपर means above, on top, like sky, on roof, that is called ऊपर, ABOVE। झाड़ू, 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 झाड़ू means broom or तड़प, तड़प you are saying ना, I have taught you last year in grade 1 झा से झाड़ू, that is only. ध पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा धू and रा, अधूरा. अधूरा means half. HALF. L is silent here. अधूरा. अधूरा means half. सूरज. सूरज means sun. 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 सूरज means sun. धूल. 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 धूल means dust. 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 त पे बड़ा हो की मात्रा तू एंड नी. बातूनी. बातूनी means talkative. Who is talking too much ना? That is called talkative. तू त पे बड़ा हो की मात्रा तू. फा तूफान. तूफान means storm. 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 तरबूज. तरबूज. तरबूज means watermelon. Tarbooj means tarboojni or watermelon. Okay children, so today we have read chota o ki matra and bada o ki matra. In your assignment chota o ki matra, before bada o ki matra we have read chota o ki matra. That all word meaning and book exercise you have to finish. Okay children, thank you very much. Have a good day.